Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we got a real treat for you, man. This is an absolutely stunning 1977 Ford Bronco. I think they call this a half cab with the removable top. Killer truck, man. 300 miles on a complete nut and bolt frame off rotisserie restoration, and it is stunning. Gorgeous torch red and white paint. You can see it's got the white fiberglass flares on it. BF Goodrich all-terrain TAs on it with the 15-inch American Racing aluminum wheels. Just a killer truck. It's out of North Carolina. Guy built it and he said it's too nice for him, so it's got 300 miles on it. It'll be hard pressed to find a nicer one for the money, I'll tell you that right now, guys. Of course, four-wheel drive. It's an automatic with air. It has a blueprint crate engines, 306, I believe 370 horse aluminum headed engine in it. We've had it on the expressway. It rocks. The truck is fast. Air blows cold. It is just killer. Not a whole lot you can really nitpick, guys. It is brand new. Love the color combination. Just as nice on the top as it is on the bottom. We got it in the rain a little bit, so we got some. We did have to clean up the bottom. We got some little bit of splashes. That's the first time I bet you the truck had ever been in the rain, but Mother Nature just caught us with a surprise rainstorm. Killer truck. All new glass. I mean, you just look, it's just new. Got the NSRA or NRA safety inspection for 2023 already been done on it. Oh, one thing, he gave me a flash drive, which I just looked at. He said I've got all the photos here of the restoration. Unfortunately, which I'm gonna have to send back to him. I'm gonna give him a call here in a minute. He gave me the wrong flash drive. He gave me his family photos, so hopefully he still has the correct flash drive. See a little break in the paint there, but I'll try to get that from him. Killer truck, man. Sits good. Like I say, just hits the road excellent. New rubber. Frames all powder coated underneath. It's got Borlas stainless exhaust. There's a little, that's just the little splashes from the road there. Look how pretty that thing is, man. That is a vibrant red on this truck, too. Look at it in there. Brand stinking new. Same thing in here. Brand new. That is a killer truck. Again, it's a blueprint engines, 306 aluminum headed engine in it, Holley 4-barrel aluminum intake, aluminum heads. It's got a nice set of coated headers. Like I say, everything's brand new. It's got brand new wiring harness, got a Howe's radiator with a flex fan, vintage AC, Mallory distributor, power steering, power disc brakes, automatic trans. And literally you can put mirrors under it and show it. And it rocks. First thing Nathan said when he drove is, man, this thing will run. Wicked cool truck. Again, all new glass, new mirrors, new door handles. killer truck, man. Bucket seats. Those are all brand new. Showing 88,000, was it 88,862? But it's actually, he said 300 miles on the restoration. It's got the factory gauge cluster in there. It's got a Retrosounds radio. Original VIN is in the glove box like it's supposed to be. Again, seat belts, Borlas stainless dual exhaust. Just a killer truck. Just some dust. Like I say, I bet you it's the first time this thing had ever gotten wet. It is a showpiece, man. Easiest thing to do with one hand. And then, like I say, put mirrors underneath it and show it. Take you about 3 years of your life and 150 grand to build this truck. Again, do have some receipts. That goes with the truck. There's a receipt on the engine in there. And again, guys, I'm going to try to see if I can get a hold of him. And he gave me a flash drive, but it's not the correct one. With the supposedly has all the photos of the restoration. I will definitely do my best to get that.
You're gonna have to shut the hood.
Gauges are working. See the choke works. Doors open and close nice. Radio works, of course, blower motor, all that stuff works. Doors open and close nice, wipers work. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep track of us.